qu'une seule sorte de monstre. Il y a ceux qui vous jouent des tours sans jamais se montrer, ceux qui enlèvent les enfants. Il y a ceux qui dévorent nos rêves, ceux qui nous sucent le sang.
So that's the no talent overachiever I've heard so much about. Rock Lee. The dork with nothing going for him but a little lousy taijutsu.
Dummy, why bother? You'll never be a ninja.
Will do. There's no way a kid who can't even do ninjutsu can ever be a ninja. Yes, I can.
Whatever. I don't get why you're even at this ninja academy.
But you kept at it, didn't you? You kept practicing your little lousy taijutsu.
How about me, Sensei? I want to show I can be a splendid ninja as well, even if I do not have ninjutsu or genjutsu. I want to prove it to the whole world.
There's that look in his eye. True or not, you didn't listen to them. You never gave up. Lee doesn't know how to give up.
I do not want to see tears from anyone close to me ever again. That is why I am never going to lose again, Guy Sensei. Never!
You have the gift of perseverance, and that's what makes you a genius, too.
There are two different kinds of ninja. Those like you who are born with talent and do not have to work at it. And those like me. The ones who have to train every day of our lives.
I do not know if I can take it. Sometimes it seems like the whole thing is pointless. Like I am a loser and I will always be a loser. I do not know what to do.
You're right. All the effort is pointless. If you don't believe in yourself.
The rejuvenated Leaf Village's handsome devil, Rock Lee!
That boy has something important to prove, and he's determined to prove it, even at the cost of his life.
Huh? Up there!
No one could do that to sheer effort alone. Was truly a genius.
Now to finish it!
Hidden Lotus!
He's out cold. Nothing keeping him up but sheer willpower. Tu dois voir la réalité en face. Les choses ne se déroulent pas toujours comme on le voudrait. Plus on vieillit et plus on prend conscience d'une chose. Quoi qu'on t'ait raconté, la vie sur cette terre est souvent synonyme de douleur, de souffrance et de vacuité. Et ça, tu peux rien y faire. Écoute bien. Tu es persuadé d'agir pour la bonne cause, mais sache que toute la lumière comporte une part d'ombre. Il n'y a pas d'exception à la règle. Tant qu'il existera des vainqueurs, il existera des vaincus. Ce désir égoïste de préserver la paix est à l'origine de bien des guerres. C'est donc au nom de l'amour qu'on engendre la haine. Ces concepts semblent opposés, mais ils sont si intrinsèquement liés qu'on ne peut les séparer. Quel triste constat. Je suis un fantôme d'Uchiwa, Madara Uchiwa.